Hey YouTube, Rick Gossman here. Week 2 of therapy is complete for my squamous cell carcinoma of the throat. Um, uh, Therapy has gotten a little tough. I'm starting to have some burning in the tongue. I got some blistering on the tongue. Um, I have been doing some interesting things during radiation over the last couple of weeks. Every morning I treat my neck on the outside with vitamin E oil. Make sure that when you go to treatment in the afternoon that oil is not wet, because if it is, it will enhance the radiation. It's kind of like putting suntan oil on while you're out sunbathing. So it's okay to treat it to hydrate the skin. I'm not having any issues outside the neck at all of burning, but all the burning is inside. I've got some sores, a blistering, makes swallowing a little difficult. I have had to switch to a soft diet, mainly liquids, eggs, noodles, and I'm still having to use a number agent called Miracle Mouthwash to get it down. One of the other things that I use is make sure you use a baking soda salt gargle several times a day. I'm also ingesting 2 ounces of pure liquid aloe twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. I've started that about, let's see, 3 days ago. So let's see how that goes and see if it helps with the burning. My tongue and taste have gotten very flat. I can still smell stuff, but taste is pretty much dulled out. So I'm not doing it for the taste, I'm doing it for the calories. So far I've lost about 9 pounds in the first 2 weeks, and that was mainly because before I started therapy I put on about 8 pounds, just strictly going around and eating all my favorite things that I could taste before I started therapy. So we're done with week 2. I got 25 radiation treatments left and 2 chemos. I got chemo again next week. So we'll see how things go. But yeah, I'm 10 days in, and my tongue is swollen. My tongue is thick. It's difficult to speak and use my tongue. And hopefully those symptoms subside with some of the treatments I'm doing. I'm doing the biotin for dry mouth. I'm doing the aloe. I'm doing the liquid salt and baking soda mouth gargle. Trying to use that to help subside the burning sensation, the sores. And mainly it's just blistering on the tongue right now, on the sides of the tongue that are bothering me. And there's a little bit of soreness in the back of the throat. But it's a little difficult after 10 days. So they say it's going to get worse, but we'll find out and see if it's manageable. So we've done week 2. I'm not doing anything extraordinary. I feel great otherwise because of the doing the chemo 21 days apart. I've had a chance to recover, bounce back. I've got my energy levels up. My labs are great. So we completed week 2. So here's week 2. I hope your therapy's going well, and I'll talk to everybody next week.